Welcome to this unboxing of the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. Opening the box, we're greeted by the phone wrapped in protective film. And underneath it is the accessory pack containing the SIM ejector tool, warranty papers, quick start guide, and a clear case to protect the device right away. Beneath that sits the USB-C cable and the fast-charging power brick included in the package. Now taking the phone out, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G immediately impresses with its premium build available in mocha brown, glacier blue, and black. It features IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K ratings, giving it strong dust and water resistance for everyday durability. The device measures around 163 millimeters tall, with a slim profile just above 8 millimeters, and weighs about 207 grams, giving it a solid yet comfortable hand feel. Turning to the display, the phone has a large 6.83-inch CrystalRes AMOLED panel with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It reaches a stunning 3,200 nits peak brightness, making it extremely readable outdoors, and supports 12-bit color, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and strong protection with Gorilla Glass Victus. To the 3,840 Hz PWM dimming and multiple TGV certifications help reduce eye strain for long viewing sessions. Now for the cameras, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G packs a powerful 200 megapixel main camera with OIS, 2x and 4x optical level telephoto, a bright f1.7 aperture, and a large 1/14 sensor for excellent detail and low light performance. It also includes an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscapes and group shots. On the front, the phone offers a sharp 32 megapixel selfie camera. It is also loaded with AI features like AI Erase Pro, AI Remove Reflection, AI Sky Adjustment, AI Bokeh, AI Image Enhancement, and more, allowing easy creative editing. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 7 South Gen 4 processor built on a 4nm process with an octa-core, CPU up to 2.7 GHz, and an Adreno GPU, ensuring smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and daily use. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, running on Xiaomi HyperOS for a clean, optimized experience. The battery is a massive 6500 mAh silicon carbone unit supporting ultra-fast 100W, HyperCharge plus 22, 5 West reverse charging, giving all-day endurance with quick top-ups. Audio quality is boosted by dual speakers with 400% volume enhancement, Dolby Atmos, and high-res support for immersive sound. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4C, Dual SIM, and full 5G band support for reliable network performance. For security, it features an in-screen fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock. Overall, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G delivers a premium unboxing experience. Powerful performance, a high-end display, long battery life, and an impressive camera system, making it one of the most feature-packed mid-range phones available today.